You're not the first to believe that snow fountain weeping cherry tree care is too time-consuming, but surprisingly they're very low maintenance. Growing snow fountain trees in your backyard. The snow fountain weeping tree is an ornamental tree that thrives in the sunny section of your garden. It starts blooming in May, and the white flowers stay for at least 3 weeks. After the flowers are gone, small leaves take their place. How to plant. The snow fountain tree loves moist but well-draining soil. It can tolerate any soil type and pH level, whether chalk, clay, or sand. However, when it comes to weather conditions, it thrives best in USDA zones 4 to 8. Pick a section of your garden that's constantly exposed to sunlight. The snow fountain cherry tree can tolerate minimal amounts of shade. Work in compost or manure into the soil before planting. Dig a hole as big as your root ball but double in width. Drive a stake near the place of the root ball, but before planting the tree. Transfer your tree into the hole and cover it with soil and mulch. Don't put the mulch too close to the root as it can lead to rooting. Tie the tree to the stake for additional support while it grows taller. Snow fountain weeping cherry tree care won't take up any time of your day, as it only requests watering once a week. Best time to plant snow fountain weeping cherry trees. Planting your new tree during harsher weather can be disastrous. Instead, choose late spring or early summer. How tall can you expect them to grow? Snow fountain weeping cherry trees grow a foot a year until they reach their full growth. Eventually, they range between 8 to 15 feet. They're 6 to 12 feet wide when the tree's not pruned. White snow fountain weeping cherry tree. The white snow fountain weeping cherry tree originates in Asia and made its way to the West at the end of the 19th century. China and Japan, which cultivated the enhancing tree, granted thousands of exemplars to the US back in 1912. Enthusiasts took up on the challenge, and at the beginning of the 20th century, a dwarf version was revealed. Why it's called weeping snow fountain cherry. Its scientific name, Prunus, doesn't make it any justice. The reason behind its commercial name is obvious. The long, elegant branches spring from the treetop and make their way almost to the ground. In spring they fill up with small white flowers and resemble a snowy fountain. The best care tips and tricks. Pruning. You need to perform some pruning after the blooming period has ended. With pruning, you'll remove the dead and wilted branches, shorten some of them and make a place for new growth. If you're a little more skilled, you can prune the tree in any shape. Summer is the perfect time to prune the tree as it blooms in spring. Air circulation. Snow fountain weeping cherry trees are not immune to pests and disease. Planting the tree in a section with good air circulation is a must. A bacterial canker is the tree's worst enemy. Leaf spot and brown rot blossom blight can destroy your blooms and leaves. Well-draining soil will minimize the chances of disease. Pest management can help you control the caterpillars, aphids, and scales. Are snow fountain trees messy? Staying true to its name, the snow fountain tree covers the ground around it with a layer of snowflakes. Planting the tree around a green patch will cut some of the cleaning troubles. But winds can scatter the tiny petals all around your garden, so be prepared. This beautiful ornamental tree can grow in your backyard too. All you need is a sunny spot, good air circulation, well-draining soil, protect it from pests, and prune it after the blooming has ended. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.